This conference will now be recorded.
So we'll go to this software, Corel Draw. So you can go to here, start. Directly you will get this option. No need to go to Adobe Master Collection and all. So which is come from Corel company. So Corel Draw, which is from the Corel company. So it is a Corel Draw software. Okay. So in the last class, I have told you people what are the versions we are using and what are the things we are going to do in the this Corel Draw software. What are the designs we can create it. So we can create it. Everybody know. Okay. So these are the things: logo designing, brochure designing, newsletter designs, business card. Business card is nothing but the visiting card design. So what are the designs we are not created in Photoshop and InDesign? Okay, so those are the designs we are going to create here. So no need to using the cutting options, all these things we are not using here. Okay, so for cutting options, any cropping options and all, we have very good option in Photoshop. So any of the images we have to cut, so we can use Photoshop software. But the main thing is Corel Draw is a vector graphic editor. Vector graphic editor, I have shown you people already the example what is vector and what is bitmap. Okay, so vector, you will not we are not using any images here in the Corel Draw. Everything we have to design it. Okay, so we have to design it means always it will be having the very good quality. So whenever you will take the images, always which is not having any clarity with that images, correct? So always we have to use the vector images. What we are making, what we are designing, those are the things which is vector. So here we have so many images are there, which is completely works are completely what we only done it. All these images are, see, we have so many logos are there. See, my students only they done all these things, so many of the things. So just a example that vector and the raster or a bitmap. So any of the things, suppose if we are used here images means which is looking very blur like this. Okay, so suppose if we are created, if we are typed like some text means which is going to be having so much clarity like this. Okay, so that is a difference. See the bottle design which is completely done with the vector in the sense we are created all these things which are we are created. Okay, completely done with the vector options. So like that. So one more example. So look at here, any of the vector image. So vector in the sense like the you have very good quality here. Okay, resolution will be very high always what we are creating. And see, these are the things which is in a JPG format, GIF format, PNG format. What I have done in Photoshop, we are using always photo post like photos and all. So that time whenever you will zoom it, you don't have the clarity, correct? So if you zoom it 50% it is okay. If you zoom it 100% and all, you will, it will always pixelating, correct, which is having not having a good resolution. If you're taking 300 resolution also, till 50% or 70% it is okay. Like 100% if you'll zoom it, so you'll have a pixelation. But if it is a vector option, always you have a good quality, so which is not going to be pixelated. Okay, so that is a difference between raster and the vector. So in Corel Draw we are not using images so much. Everything we have to create it. See all these logo designs which are done from the students itself. We are going to create the same logo designing, like Pepsi logo I have. And so some of the logos I have, Twitter logos, Coca-Cola logo, and this Firefox logo, so Apple logo. So there are many of the logos I have. Okay, Benz logo. So these are the designs, everything we have created in Corel software. How much ever you will zoom it, okay, which is not going to pixelating. Okay, so now I have saved these images in the jpg format. So jpg format means which is going to be pixelate, but when you take it for the printing, so you will get a very good quality of printing. Okay, so always we have to use the CorelDRAW software while printing. So InDesign is a competition for CorelDRAW software. So CorelDRAW is from past 30 years, CorelDRAW software only it is there. Okay, so past from 10 years, this InDesign software, Adobe people launched this InDesign software. Before that, we have CorelDRAW software. When the advertisement is started, from that time onwards, we have the CorelDRAW software. So everybody from that time to till now, they are all printing peoples, they are all believing in CorelDRAW software itself. So CorelDRAW is for printing technology. CorelDRAW is a very good software. Okay, so any of the visiting cards, suppose we have to print 1,000 visiting cards or invitation cards, greeting card designs, everything. Big like banner designs, any of the big cutouts designs and all, movie poster designs, everything which is not going to pixelate, because we are using the CorelDRAW software. So for that reason, even I forgot to tell one more thing. So here I have mentioned these many designs we could do it in CorelDRAW software. Eh, and one more thing, this also we can do it in textile design. So textile design, so you are seeing so many of the designs of dresses, right? So before we don't have much designer dresses in the sense. So in the, if you are buying the kurtas, t-shirts, you will have stickers, some of the stickers design, even on the cup also you can see the designs. They're going to print it on the cup, and you, whatever the dress you are wearing, right? So not, I'm telling handwork things which are done with the thread or something. So many of the dresses which is completely done with the printing itself. Okay, so fabrication things, so which is done in the CorelDRAW softwares only. So those are the designs. So everything, so how the designing is improved because of this textiles and many of the advertisements. Okay, so we are not getting so many designs before, like 10-15 years before, we don't have you don't we don't get much collections of dresses, like which we don't get a fancy designs. We used to stitch and like they will only make some thread work or something. So the things what we are wearing, on that we have the printing, some flower printing or any of those printings are there. So those are the things, everything which is done in the CorelDRAW software. So CorelDRAW is there for everywhere, means all over, everywhere. Even any of the this thing, cosmetics, medicines, everywhere you have, you can see the stickers on that. Okay, so stickers, if you see the stickers, then only we'll get to know, like one is the expiry date and when it is launched and what are the contents are there. Anywhere, like if you buy a soap or a cosmetics or a Pepsi bottle or a biscuit wrapper or a powder or any of the thing, perfume. Okay, any product, if you'll buy any product, if you'll buy a chocolate wrapper, any product, if you'll see there is a prescription, there is a things will be like when is a, it is launched and what is the company name, and when is going to expire and how long you can use it, and what are the things are there in this medicine, what are the things are there in this cosmetics, right? Biscuits, which flavored biscuit, all the informations which you can see, correct? So everything, we are the designers, we are only going to do those things. Okay, so you have to think like with the designing field is how popular, till where the designing is there. So it is one hidden talent, like everything is going under this designing field only. Even if you eat the pizza everywhere, which is okay. Even anybody can tell me, like you have examples that where you can see these designing things. Anybody can tell me where you can see those designing things? Anybody? I have given these many example. You people have to give me some examples. So which is
Price tag,
there?
ma'am.
Price tag, yes, yes. Price tag, yes. Price tag always, yes. Price tag. And there is a barcode option we have in Corel Draw. Okay, barcode option also we can use it. If you see in your house, okay, all this bedsheet covers, blankets, curtains, everything, they have different prints. Okay, nobody is stitched. Okay, afterwards the things are become everything is ready, so then they will stitch it, right? So if you'll see all over your house, so everything which is done with the CorelDRAW software itself, all the printing things. Okay, so this is one hidden field, actually nobody knows that, oh, this many designs we could do it. Correct. So all in the tiles, like in the house there is a tiles designs will be there. Okay, so you don't get many designs before, right? So even you can see that cake, on that cake the printing media is different. So printing media is different in the sense, we could take the printout, we could take the printout on the paper, we could take the printout on the cup, we could take the printout on the plate. The printing media is different. Correct. So we could take the printout on the cloth, but we have to do the design in one single software, right? We have to do the design in CorelDRAW itself. Later wherever you want, you can take the printout, you can take a printout on the, what is that, cardboard box. Okay, so those things, even on the bottle there is the designs will be there nowadays, right? Sports bottle. Okay, so like that, so we are taking in a different the printing media is different. Correct. But we have to make a design in CorelDRAW software. Here in front of the system itself, we have to sit and we have to, according to the size that we are calling custom size. According to the size, we have to, the customer, suppose we need 1,000 bottles designs we have to make, means, so according to that bottle, the sizes, the how the wrapper will come, the how the printing is going on. So all these things they will only give the size of the things, so it is going to print like that. Even whatever the cloths you are seeing, after the stitching you people are seeing, before that it will be coming some 100 meters, 200 meters, something like that. So that's why we have the value of meters here. If you open the CorelDRAW software, I told you people, file new, we have to take the file new. Once you open the CorelDRAW software, file new, there is an option called inches, millimeters. Okay, millimeters are there, and we have centimeters are there, meters also is there, kilometers also is there. See, meters, how many meters of clothes? Correct. Cloths and all, we have to take the printout like in the meters. So we have all these options are there. Correct. So like that, we can create many of the designs. We have to, the media is different, printing media is different. Otherwise, all kind of designs anywhere you will go for the exhibition or anywhere. Okay, you can see that. Okay, nowadays like how the mall culture is increased. So before that, like if you go 15 years before, 20, when I was studying, so that time, 20 years before when I was studying, so that time we don't get a 20 50 variety of biscuits, we don't get, so we don't get 50 varieties of dresses, so very less compared to now. Okay, so like that, so if the designs are very good, so the product, people will buy the product. Correct. Butter, biscuits, all these options and all, they have more options. So in the more advertisements they will make it, so according to that people will buy, more customers they will have. So this is nothing but the advertisement, so you people have to know how the advertisement things are going. So before that, the printing peoples are there behind that. Okay, so we have to make the product famous. Okay, so all these things which is going to happen because of this designing. So if the designing is very beautiful, then people will, they don't care about the things, so they will buy the product. Okay, so like that, so we'll come for this CorelDRAW software. So here we have this option. So when you will open this CorelDRAW software, there is a option of zoom in and zoom option. So you have to go to here, start, and this CorelDRAW X7 option is here. Okay, so otherwise you can go to all programs. Here, let us see, Corel will come. So already which is come here only, so there is option of CorelDRAW. Okay, so when you'll open this CorelDRAW software, so we have in the right side we have this color palette, and left side there is options of tools. So we have so many tools are there, and and there is a menu here. Okay, menu bar. These are the menu bar, and this is in between. There is a property window here, and rulers are very important. So we have the rulers here, and in design software we are not used much rulers option, but here in CorelDRAW we have to use the rulers. Okay, so compared to Photoshop and InDesign, CorelDRAW is very easy. Okay, so we no need to take the boxes, no need to take the layers and all, no hectic options here. So very easy, and very easy works we have to do. Okay, who are not given me the attendance till now? Yukta R. Some students they are coming starting half an hour or 1 hour, they will disappear while I'm taking the class. While I'm taking the attendance in the last end of the class. Okay, so at that time you don't be there. So that's why I'll take now only. Yukta R. Yukta R. Okay, okay. So everywhere rain, Yukta. Everywhere it is a problem. Punita.
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay, we'll go to this CorelDRAW software, and uh, let us go some of the tools. So I'll go to file new. So we have the option here again. So you people are very familiar with these things now. So we have the sizes here, A4 size. So generally A4 size everybody know, because in your colleges also you have to take the Xerox, printing, everything, everywhere always we have to use the A4 size. So A4 size everybody know. Afterwards we have this different sizes here, that is called A3 sizes. Even some students they know A3 sizes who are doing the drawing, paintings, they have the hobbies of drawing, paintings, and those people are using A3 sizes. Next, we have the other sizes here, that is called business card. So business card is nothing but visiting card design. So here, whatever the sizes are there, these are the standard size all over the world. Wherever you will go, this is the standard size. So he is a very big businessman, means he cannot carry the A4 size visiting card, right? So business card is business card. So everywhere the sizes will be same. Okay, so and look at here, legal letters. So legal letters and government legal letters. So all this having the different same sizes. Okay, which is having standard sizes here, 8.5 by 13.0. So whenever you will select any of the sizes here, you will get the option width and height, you will get it. And look at your web banners. So last as I have told you people, web banners. So where we can see the web banners we can see in the websites. Okay, so websites, there is one corner, there will be very small size, free something they will mention. So free seats, or free internship, or they will mention buy today, money give money later, something like that. Attractive things will be there. So when you will click on that, so it will go to their website, and so they are going to mention some conditions and all in. Okay, so like that. So they will get money once you'll enter to their website. Okay, so like that. So these are the web banners, when some small informations they have to give it. So in their website they will have the place, they will give the they can make the advertisement using this web banners. Okay, so web banners always having very small size, 125 by 125, which is very smaller. I'll just give okay. So look at, this is the web banner size, which is very smaller. So according to this only we have to make the designs. Okay, so like that you people have to know like what is the size of business card and all those things. Okay, we'll come back again for the business card and all. So I'll go to just normal A4 size, and the width is 210, height is 297, and we have this inches, millimeters, pixels, centimeters. All these options are there, even miles also there, kilometers. Okay, so if we are giving in inches, it is coming 8 by 11. Okay, so here we have an option of portrait and landscape. So you people are familiar with this, and number of pages here also you can give 1000 pages also. Let us see later how much maximum we could give it. Okay, so I'll just give 5 pages. Okay, so primary color mode is CMYK, so we are using CMYK color, so we don't want any very brighter colors here. So it is going to print in the sense, suppose uh, mainly whatever the designs we are making, suppose books designs or any of the cloth designs, anything. So almost which is going like brighter look we need, it means we have to go for the RGB color. So CMYK color is enough. Whatever the colors we are seeing here in the right side, those are the CMYK colors. So for this printing, which will not take much color when you will use a CMYK color, and resolution dots per inch. So in 1 inch, how many dots are there? So it's like that, dots per inch. What is the full form of DPI? Dots per inch. Rendering resolution minimum is 72, maximum is 300. So 300 is always a good resolution. You have to give always 300 resolution any software. Okay, I'll just give okay. And look at here, I have page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5. Okay, I have already 5 pages here. This is my first page. When I'll select this page, look at here in the top there is a property window here, so we can do any changes anytime. We can do the changes of the pages. Look at here, now it is in A4 size. I can change it to any other size. Okay, I will change it to business card size. Look at, this is a business card size. Okay, this is a business card size now, so which is 3.5 by 2.0. In online test they are going to ask what is the business card size, so they make you confusion. They could give this answer like 3.0 by 2.5, something like that. They'll give some uh, uh, answers, different answers you have. Okay, so like that, so we'll go for this A4 size only. So according to this, we can change portrait and landscape here. According to this here, to 210 by 297. So which is taking in the millimeters. Okay, even here. Okay, so here we could change it millimeters, inches, and any of the options we could select it. So according to this, values will change. Okay, and one more thing. So we'll go for this tools now, and we'll go for this. We have this toolbar. In the last class I have shown you people, you have to write about all these tools names and all. Okay, same tools, whatever the tools you are seeing in the Photoshop and InDesign, the same tools only. Rectangular tool and the type tool, and some of the effects here, and the zoom tool, crop tool, all these options which are there in InDesign and Photoshop. And we have to do it in a different way. So whatever the things we are done in Photoshop and InDesign, we are not going to do here. So we are going to create the logo design. So what is logo designs? Anybody can tell me what is logo design? In the last class, I told you people what do you mean by logo design. Anybody can tell me? There is lot of meaning for the logo designing. Anybody can tell me what do you mean by logo designing? Where you can see the logos?
One's company's main identification will be the logo designing, ma'am. There,
Yeah.
company's definition and their identity will be based on their logo. See, if for an example, if it take Tata Motors, the Tata logo should come. Like when we see Tata logo, we'll just think
Hmm.
about that company. It is
Yes.
just their identification and everything. So once when the customers they see that, they have to think, okay, this is the company's logo. So
Yes.
yes, ma'am, that's
It's nothing but a brand actually. So brand identifications, any company, so they are going to launch any product. So always everybody will see the company logo and what brand it is. Even we are buying mobiles or any of the electronics things also, we will see the brand. Okay, it is a Samsung or a Sony or what is that, Zivame. So many we have the logo designings, right? So those things and all we can do it here. Okay, so we everywhere we have the brands. Okay, so even if we'll go to any products, okay, so everywhere with the brand itself we will get to know what kind of company it is and what kind of product it is. So instead of Samsung, if it is SAMSUNG, okay, so in the A is completely a different A. Okay, I don't have that logo here, otherwise I could show you people. Okay, so Google having a different, so instead of this O which is filled, okay, filled with the red color, so we will think, so this is not a original brand, correct? So which is having some different things, are always the Google having the logo which is there in everybody's mind. Okay, so like that. So Coca-Cola logo, so this is a food products. The food products also they have the logo. Even mobile this thing websites, they have the different logo. Online shopping, Amazon, Mintra, they have the different logo. And this is a software company, Apple logo. So Microsoft, so we have different kinds of logo we have. Even with the Starbucks, okay, so which is having the different logo. Okay, so everywhere, so this is something which is related to motors, what you have said. So BMW, okay, so even I have this Mitsubishi logo. Yeah, look at here, Volkswagen logo, BMW logo, and Nissan logo. And we have this software related logo, that is Twitter logo. Okay, so like that we have different logos are there. Look at the quality of the logo here, so which is the vector based image. So if you'll zoom it also, which is not going to pixel it. Okay, so which is saved in the JPG format, then it is going to pixel it. Okay, we have to save it in PDF format. So Twitter logo, Google logo, and the Pepsi logo. So we'll see like how to do the designs. Okay, see some of these logos which only texts are there, there is no symbols are there, only texts are here. Okay, with the text only they made a logo designing. So only look at here, Samsung logo is there. So instead of this SA here, instead of this there is a line over here in the A, there's small changes will be there. So we are not going to buy the product because we'll find we'll feel that it's a duplicate product. Okay, so like that. Even this Intel, Sony, look at here, only just a four text is there. Okay, Sony logo, that font is very different. Okay, even Nike logo, so Adobe software logo, so Vodafone logo, so like that. So everywhere these are the company identifications. So we'll get to know, yeah, this is the brand, we have to buy this. This is a brand we are buying from last 10 years. So that's why nobody's changing their logo. So they are going to change the logo means we'll get a confusion like what kind of brand, whether it's original or duplicates, something like that. So they are from past 30 years, 40 years, same logo will be there always. Okay, so like that. So nobody will change the logo once it is launched in the market. So they are not going to change the logos always. Okay, so that is the logo. So logos always, when we are going to launch the logo, always we have to see in the market, so whether the same logo is there or not. So we have to make a different design of logo which is not there in the market. So because they can put a case on us because the same logo if we'll use it. Okay, so there are so many rules and regulations are there when we have to make the logo designing. So we'll get the order from somebody. Okay, so like that. So we'll go to this Corel Draw software. I'll go to this tool, rectangular tool, first one. Okay, so we'll go to this rectangular tool. So here we have this selection tool. So here we are telling pick tool. Okay, so pick tool. So wherever you will keep the mouse, you can zoom it. So I have this scroller mouse, and you can use it the scrolling mouse. So you can zoom in and zoom out. Wherever you will keep the mouse, there it is going to zoom. Okay, so like that. And I'll take this tool. Okay, so I'll go to this rectangular tool. I'll make it this rectangular tool, and here I'll go to this selection option. So no need to use the layers and all. So I'll make a box here. So always you have this points over here. You can increase the size of this box. You can decrease the size of back, how much ever width you want, how much ever height you want. So we can take this box. So whenever we're clicking this option, if we click once again, you will have this things. We can use the option like this. We can rotate, we can scale, so many things we can use it. We can scale it, and we can rotate it. All these options we could use it. Okay, I'll select this, and we have this color palette. We can just have to select this one. So we can select whatever the colors we want. So whatever the colors I have added here, so these are the colors which is going to come here. Okay, this is a history of colors. So whatever the colors we have added, so those colors are which is coming here. So these are the colors we have used. So these are the things which is coming under the history of the colors here. Okay, so like this, I'll selected this object, and here in the property window there is an option of thickness of the outline. So we can increase the thickness of the outline. We can increase the thickness of outline how much ever we want. We could increase the thickness of outline. So we could increase and we could decrease the thickness of the outline, and so we can rotate it like this. So whenever we are moving this one object, look at here, x and y direction which is going to change here. So x and y direction always in which direction it is which is moving, this shape is moving. Okay, x and y direction. So if I'll increase height and width, look at here x and y direction also moving, and which this here 6.9 by 4.2. So this is also the size of the shape. Okay, always when we are making the design, okay, in Corel Draw, so every box which should come in a particular measurement. So always we have to do the measurement. The box which is 4 by 3 means 4 by 3 only. So according to that only we have to take the measurement each and everything. So like that only we have to make the designs. Okay, I'll select this box and look at here. So here we have different shapes are there. I select this one of the shape. So but for this we have to use one more option, that is called shape tool. Okay, I'll select this shape tool. We have to select all these 4 points, any of the points we have to select it, and we have to make it like this. So by the time we'll have the shapes in the all corners, will have the shapes. And look at here, all corners will have the shape. We have to select one point, and we have to drag it like this. So we could select any shapes. We don't have multiple compared to InDesign. We have little options are more in Corel Draw, but end of the day we have to design ourselves. Okay, so like this we could take the things. Okay, and here suppose I have to give the outline color. So again, here in the color palette options, down of this software. Okay, so here we have an options here, two different things, that is fill color and outline color. So outline we are telling stroke here. So we are not telling outline and all, because in online exams they are going to ask like what is the maximum thickness, maximum stroke line we could give in Corel Draw. So that is 10. Okay, 10 here, default thing is 10 here. Okay, let us see how much we could give maximum stroke line. So we have to select the box and separate. See, these are the default colors which is already available, but we want some of the shading like light yellow, light green, dark brown, something like that. We have to make a modification, means we have to go always color palette. So I'll go to this fill color. So always if you keep the mouse here, it is telling like how much cyan is there, how much magenta is there, how much yellow is there, how much k in the sense black. So already you people know what is CMYK, right? See, cyan is 60, magenta is 40, and yellow is 0, and black is completely 0. Correct here, whatever the colors I have used it. So I'll double click on this and look at here. Okay. So if you want any changes of the colors, look at here. According to that CMYK also, which is changing here. So even with the color palette, we could do the changes of the color. So always we have to use the left click, and we have this color palettes. So light, so if I select the yellow, till lighter yellow we have. And here in Corel Draw we need color values. So here the color values CMYK, the color values are very important. So why? Because why we have to give more importance here, color values. Suppose any of the designs, for example, suppose any of the medicines or a biscuit or any of the product we have already done the designs, which is already launched in the market, correct? So any of the new designs we have to make it like the same Britannia biscuit, any Good Day biscuit, any biscuit. Okay, we have to make the same design once again. So that time whatever the color combinations they have used, they are not used. Even you can see in the Good Day, little darker orange they have used. So that for that there is a color code will be there. So always there is a color code will be there. Look at that color code. It it may not be like this. Correct. So like that we have to type the color code here. This is the color. Anybody having any network problem from my side? Anybody not able to hear properly? Am I audible, right? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you.
Okay. Okay, so I'll go to this color palette. So color palette, always we have to give this color combination. So they have used multiple color combination. So always whenever you will use a color combination, look at here, we can twist it like this, and we can do some modification like this. So these are the color combinations we could add it. So for that always there is a color code will be. So this is the color code. They will have this color code always, who are having the product design. Okay, so this is a color combination which is very important. So these are the color palettes. We have multiple color palettes are there. Even with the purple we have so many colors are there. Okay, so like that. Okay, so this is a normal color palette you people know already. So I'll just give some color now. Okay, so even I want to change the outline color. So if I have to change the outline color, what I have to do? So I will double click on this, otherwise I'll click on this, double click on this only. So I'll have the option of color again. Only the outline color we have to make it separate. So the color of the outline, I'll just give blue color, and look at here. So maximum size of the outline is 10 only. So default also here also inside this outline also. So we'll have the maximum size is 10, correct? So I'll just give 10 here, and look at the design here. We have the style option. So I'll select it here. Okay, so look at the design. I have used 10 maximum. So I'll reduce it little bit. So I'll just give it 3 or 4, something like that. So I'll look at here color things, even how much ever I'll reduce it, so according to this design will come. So I'll just give it 2. So the design will like this. And whatever the designs we have very less designs here also. One for this, like this. Okay, so this is the color palette option. So we'll have the designs like this. Okay, so this is the outline color. So if you'll keep your mouse here, even for this also CMYK color is there. For everything there is a CMYK color which is showing the values of the colors here. Okay, so like that we can zoom in and zoom out here itself. Everything we could control from our hand itself. Okay, so I'll select it like this, and yeah, color palettes and all, we could do now. We could change the things like this also. Here also in the property window also we could change the designs like this. Okay, so I'll just take a different shape now. So rectangular shape, first one I'll take once again this one rectangular shape only. Why? Because we have the other option also. In rectangular tools only, I'll not give any colors or nothing. So I'll go to here, I'll select this rectangle tool. So almost this tool is done, this option is not done, and this option also done. In between there is a option is here. Okay, what is this option? Suppose I don't want the shape, only one side only I want the arc shape. Okay, I'll show you. Some of the logos are like that. Which logo? Not this logo. Yeah, Domino's logo. Look at here. In the Domino's logo, what is the situation is happening here? Here, two shapes are sharp here. Two sides are sharp. Other two sides are which is bended, curved shapes, which is having a curve shapes here. Okay, little bit curve shapes. Correct. Other two shapes are which is sharps. We have to see. We these are the very simple logos. We feel it. Okay, which is very simple logo designs. Everybody can do it. Something like that. But the thing is, it is the logo is value more than crores. The value of the logo is more than crores. Okay, so that's why each and everything we have to do it very clearly. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll select this one. If I have the box, I'll select like this, and let us see, I'll give 5, completely oval shape. So now what is the problem is happening? So whatever the 5 I am given here, so I'll give 2, which is going to take everywhere. So here suppose if I'll take A, B, C, D, 4 corners like this. Okay. So which is taking to all the corners. Now whatever the 2 value I have given, which is taking to all the corners. So before using this, I have to lock this. Edit corners together. So there is a small lock will be there. I'll click on here. Okay. So this is the unlock option. Okay. I'll select like this. Now let us see. I want to use it only for one place. So I'll just give 1. Okay, so only very little I have given. Okay, 0.5. So how we are used in the Domino's, no? So that logo, so 0.5, 0.5. So only these two side which is done like this, correct? Even very less also we should give it. So I'll select like this, 0.2. Yeah, very less, correct? 0.2. Okay, very small things we have to do. So like this, I have to take the copy of this. So I'll just take a copy of this. We have to make one more side means. Okay, I'll select it like this and I'll go to, there is an option called Control D. Control D, shortcut is, sorry, Control D, duplicate. So for duplicate, we are using Control D options. Okay. Everybody please note down, so keep a book for all these softwares. Okay, don't depends upon completely on the video recordings what we are sending, because sometime we are not able to send you people. Okay, sometime there is a problem with the internet and all, so after 1 month or 2 months you don't get these videos again, correct? So that's why I'm telling, so whoever learning the software from me, okay, so please write it down, please write it down. This is the CorelDRAW software. So yesterday I have given the notes and all. Even don't believe on those screenshots, everything, please note it down always in the book. Okay, so after 2 to 3 months afterwards you have the interviews and all, some of the things you have to learn once again. Now you people don't have much time. Later after 6 months you are free and you have to learn this software means, please write it down all these things, because these are the shortcuts. Okay, so very important. Okay, so I'll select like this and duplicate copy. So I'll go to here, edit, duplicate. I'll get one more option, so that is called edit duplicate. Okay, so now I have to flip it. Okay, I'll zoom it. I'll use this arrow marks in the keyboard. I have the arrow mark option. I'll just use this keyboard. There is arrow mark will be there, left, right, and top and bottom. So I'll use this arrow mark, and there is a option is there. Where is that? I'll select like this. There is a option of mirror horizontally and mirror vertically. Okay, so carefully you have to see all this. It's looking very simple now, but inside this only, the property window only, we have all these options are there. So we will feel that very simple logo design we are going to make. So look at here, the I have selected the shape and I'll go to this mirror horizontally. So mirror horizontally, what happened? Now these are the things which is come completely oppositely. Okay, so the thing like this. Okay, so we could give the colors now. So whatever the colors which is there for this, the red color. Okay, so red color for this, red color. Okay, so gap of this very less. Okay, so like this we have to give the things. Okay, so like this we have used it, very less gap is there. Even for the dominus, all the sides we have the curve shapes, and we could reduce the curve. Suppose if you feel the curve is more, I'll select like this, point 1. Let us see, point 1. If I'll give it very less, it won't look nice. Let it be point 2 only. Okay, so now what I have to do, I don't want to give any outline for this box. So I don't want to give any outline for this box. I'll select like this, and there is an option of outline. So I told you people how to give the outline. So we want to remove the outline. So there is an option of none. So there is a option of hairline outline. Hairline mean very thinner outline, we'll get it. So but we don't want outline only, so I'll use none option. I'll select the box and I'll use the none option. So no need to create the two boxes, because same box, both the boxes with the same size. Okay, even same height also we have to see. It means there is an option of ruler. Can you see everybody? There is option of ruler. Left click, bring it down. So let us see the ruler. All both the measurements are same. Okay, so always we have to use the rulers. And I'll take one more box. I'll take again duplicate copy of this, Control D. I'll take the same copy of this because I want the same height. So I'll take it like this. Now what is the situation is, so I want all the side which is in a curve, correct? So it should be very curved in all the sides. All are having the same curve. So what I'll do here also, I'll mention 2. Okay. So I'll use 2 here. Sorry, point 2 I should give instead of point 2. I have used 2 here. Okay, point 2, point 2. I'll give it. So which is having the blue color. Okay. So this is the thing, and the space is little less. And check here the height and width of this, which should be same. So in the starting class only, you people have to start the logo designing. So everywhere, everybody should download the CorelDRAW software, okay, which is very important. So you have to start, because every day, like 2 3 classes, we have the logo designing, and we are going to design the visiting card design, and we are going to do the banner designs. So many designs we are going to do, but still I didn't get any assignment from InDesign. So everybody, I think Arunima, by the only one student, she's given me the assignment. So everybody will get the zero. At least one assignment also nobody sent me. Okay, so still CorelDRAW, till CorelDRAW finishing, till you people have the time. Okay, but CorelDRAW, please start from the beginning itself. Otherwise, you have a lot of confusions. Okay, so I'll just little much gap I'll give it. So if you once you will click it, you will get this option, selection option. Once again, if you click on this box, you will have this rotate option. Okay, so I'll click on this, you will have a selection option. If once again you click on this, you will have a rotation option. So I'll click on here, again we'll get the selection option. I'll look it here, and we have to give the same values. So we have to give the values here. So how much ever we want. So look at here, we could keep it 0. Okay, so like that we have to make the logo design. So we'll check it once again, and later we could rotate this one. Okay, later we can rotate the logo once it is finished. However we want, we can place it even for the circle also. So we have to place the circle in the sense. So what we have to do, there is an option of ellipse. So ellipse tool, so shortcut is F7. Ellipse tool, ellipse tool is nothing but a circle. Okay, circle, ellipse tool. Okay, so whenever we'll see the circle, the complete circle. So if I'll make it oval, look at the size of this, 2.9 by 1.3. So ellipse means which is come, circle means which should come properly. Look at here, which should come not like this also, not like this also, not like this also. The circle which should come properly. Suppose I'll give 1.5, means 1.5. So from all the angles which should look like a circle. Okay, so like this. So we have to reduce it from one corner. So increase the size and reduce the size like this. So I'll select it like this, and so I'll just give the white color, increase the size like this. Okay, I'll just remove the outline of this. Always for the selection, we have to use the pick tool. So picking, this is we have to select, like how we are use the selection tool, like that we have using pick tool. Okay, so I'll use a circle like this. I'll just remove the outline of this, none. Okay, I'll take a duplicate copy of this. So Control D, I'm always using shortcut. So anybody who are not able to use a shortcut, that means you have to go to edit, and there is an option called duplicate. So duplicate option is there. Control D. Once we have to make the circles properly, afterwards we have to take the duplicate copy. Okay, so let us see in the design like this only, which is there. Okay, so no need to do the modifications once we did the changes. Okay, so like this we have to do the duplicate. Control D again. Yeah. Okay, so this is the designs we have to make it. So this is the logo designs. We have to add the text here. Whenever I'm teaching the text, so that time I'll explain you people once again. I'll add it. I'll add the text for this. Okay. So this is a thing we are going to learn. So very simple way we could create a logo design. Suppose I have this one single page now. Okay, in Corel Draw we could add the pages also. We could take n number of pages also. So here there is an option of plus. Okay, we could take one more page here. That is page 1, page 2. So like that we could add n number of pages here itself. There is an option of plus and there is an option of minus. Even for we don't want the page means right click on this page. There is an option called delete page. So right click on the page, there is an option called delete page, so like that. Okay, so I have already added 4 pages now. In page 1 I have done this Domino's logo. I'll go to this page 2. Okay, I'll just remove this ruler. Okay, so Corel Draw is very important software, okay, which is very useful in the future. Okay, so I'll go to the other tool that is called 3-point rectangle. So I'll come back. So anybody having any doubt with this option, this is very important. Okay, so any of the shapes, suppose if I'll unlock this one, edit corner together. So this should be like this. I suppose I'll give 5 right here. We'll have the curve shape like this. I saw some of the logo like this. What happened? Oh, somebody sent me newspaper design. Oh, same Modi you have taken. Arunima, the problem is whatever the newspaper designs, the layout, everything is fine. Arunima, you are there in the class, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
whatever
Yes.
the text you have taken, correct? So the Times of India, which is a very bold text, correct? Which is in a jet black, so which is a jet black text. But for the contents, you have added the text. No, I don't feel which is good. Like it is looking very black. Means no need to take that kind of bold letter text. No need to add. Only for the headings and subheadings you can take, even for the 30th November 2000 Saturday, those things and all. No need to highlight those things wherever you want to highlight. So there only have to use the highlighting text. Okay, dark color text you have to use it. Otherwise normal text, how you'll just check it in your house. They are bringing, if they're bringing newspaper, just check, like no need to highlight this text very bright, no need to do it. Okay, you can use other font for this, the text and all which you have added, no? So just add some other font. Even that font also become little lengthy font you have taken. Okay, just add a different font for this. Okay, some of the
Okay,
small
ma'am.
changes you have to do it. Okay, submit
Okay.
me once again after doing the changes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. We'll come back for this Corel Draw. Yeah, I have told you people's one logo design. I'll show you. What is that? Okay, we'll check it next time. So any of the curve shapes we have to do it. So I'll select like this, how much ever we want. We could add the things. So what I have given, one side I have given 5. Okay, other things I'm not giving any option. I'll give it here 5. What happened? Which is become as a petal. So which is become as a petal now. What kind of logo we could create with the petal? So we have one logo here. Yeah, look at this Huawei logo, which is come with the petals. Even we need a sharper petals. So we need a sharper petals in the sense I'll go and give 6 here. Let us see. If I'll give 10, how much changes? give 10. So only very less changes are there. Suppose I'll reduce it like this. Let us see. Suppose if I'll give 5 here, 5 here. I'll give 1, little fatter petal, and 1 here is the shapes are changing here. So like this only. Let us see. Look at here the changes which is happening. So what I'll do, I'll just rotate it like this, and I'll give the color for this. So I'll give the orange color, and there is the option of, if I, if I click on here, you will get one center point here, and we have this rotate option. Okay, I'll just bring this center point here down, down. I'm keeping here, and I'll take the duplicate copy of this, Control D. Okay, which is like this and like this. Okay, sometime which will work very good, sometime which is not looking. So Control D. Okay. So like this the design will come. So we have to do one petal, we have to do the adjustment. Later all the petals which are coming in the proper way. Understood or not everybody? I'll show once again. So what we have to do, I'll delete it. So I will select the shape, even oval shape also we could take it. So I'll select this oval shape. Let us see, even this we could do it or not. So we don't have that option only here. So we don't have any option like that in oval shape. So I have to take this square shape only, rectangle shape only. I'll say take this rectangle. So I'll give it, let us see, 7 I'll give. For this also, both the, see here in the first corner I have taken 7, and in the ending corner I will take 7. So like this petal I have created. So we are not using any images here, that's why we are. Okay, so I'll just give, make a different flower, orange color. Okay, so I'll make it straight like this. Okay, so I'll click on here. If you click on once, you will get a selection option. So if you want to increase and decrease the thing, you can do it like this. If you click once again like this, you will have this rotation option. In the rotation option, you have to move the center point here down, you have to move it the center point. So then Control D. So Control D, again select it, and rotation options, we have to move it here, and we have to move it like this. Okay, then Control D. So once we have to move the positions, later we have to automatically all the images which is coming in a proper way, all the petals which is coming neatly like this. Okay, so like this we could make the logos. Okay, whatever the flower logos you are seeing, right? So those are the things we could do it with this design. Even for that we could add the gradient, shadows, outlines. We could select this, and we could add different colors for this. We could select the separate petals, and we could add different colors like this. Okay, so like this we could do the changes. Okay, anybody having any doubt? I have to show it once again. Anybody who are not understood? Anybody? Angela, why late for class?
Ma'am, I had a network issue, ma'am. I couldn't join.
Okay, last class you are absent, Angela.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, Whose attendance I am not taken? Nisarga Rai and Divyashri M. I have taken your attendance. Nisarga Rai. Okay. Divyashri M. Okay, who are not understood how to create this petal designs, I'll repeat once again. Okay, so everybody understood, right? So this is the thing I have created in the page 2. So page 1 like this, page 2 like this. Okay, so you have to make the designs like this from the beginning, starting class itself. You have to download this software, and which is very easy, and there is no layers, there is no difficult things here, which is very easy. Very few things you have to learn. Okay, you can do many n number of designs, you can create it using this. Even for the logo designing, if you learn a very good logo designing, you can make a freelancing job. You can like while you are doing a different job, you can do the freelance, you can become a freelancer. You can the logo designing, we can charge it from 5,000 rupees to which is going till crores. Okay, so very important things, you can make a career with this only. Okay, I'll go to this page 3, and I'll go to the 3-point rectangle. So I'll go to this 3-point rectangle. So I'll make a size like this. So whatever the designs we want, so select, make, you have to make one single size line, and we have to make the designs like this 3-point rectangle. So this is nothing but the 3-point rectangle. So here also we will have the same option what we are getting in the rectangular too. So even with the 3-point rectangle also we will have the same option. I'll select it, and I could give the sizes like this. One size is like this, and one size is like this. We could have the shape. Okay, so any of the designs we could do the changes like this. Even I'll select this one, and I'll give the colors. Okay, so I'll give the colors, whatever the colors we want. We could give the colors. Okay, so that is under the 3-point rectangle. So this is also very important tool. In the future we have to, in the next class, tomorrow class, we are going to create the logo designing. So first we have to know that we have to know about the tools, right? So later we will create the logo designing using these softwares. Okay, so that is 3-point rectangle. So we don't have multiple things. So 3-point rectangle is whenever you take the 3-point rectangle, so we'll have the option like this. Okay, so again you people know always this, you can increase the thickness of the outline, and this option, so which is working for this also. Okay, even any of the changes we have to make, it means we have to go to the shape tool, the first one, the shape tool, and there is a, we will get a 4 points like this. We have to use left click, and we have to make the shapes like this. Okay, so we have to make the shape like this. Okay, this is under with the 3-point rectangular tool. So later we could take the duplicate copy of this. How much ever you want, we could take the duplicate copy. I have taken so many duplicate copy which is overlapping with the one tool itself, one shape itself which is overlapping. So I'll select it, any of the things which I could give the color like this. So okay, so that is 3-point rectangle tool. Next we will come for this one, ellipse and 3-point ellipse. So ellipse, nothing but the circle. Okay, exactly the circle you want, means this is become a oval shape, the same size. Suppose I'll given 2 is the width and 2 is the height, so this much exactly we have to give. So if I'll give 10 is the width, and again 10 is the height, so then it is become exactly the circle shape. Okay, so exactly the circle we need, it means the same value we have to give it. So 10 by 10. Okay, so we could give the colors for this. Even we can do the in one corner. If you have to increase the width, means we have to take it like this. If you are to increase the height, means we have to take, we have to make the selection like this. And here we have an option of the property window. we have the option of pie, and this is arc shape. So if I'll keep on pie means you will have this pie chart will be there, no? So you can see this option, and this is a nothing but, okay, only the line you will get. So we can we can modify this option. Okay, so we can modify this option. So I'll increase the size, and there is a shape tool. So using this we'll get 2 points like this. So we can modify this option. We can modify like this. Okay, so I'll come back for the select pick tool. I'll select it like this, and I'll increase the size of this thickness. Look at the thickness of this outline, and so how much ever I want, I'll increase the thickness of the outline. So I'll reduce the size of this, and control D, duplicate. So, and I'll flip it. So there is an option of flipping options. So I have one logo designs like this. Use a ruler which have come properly. Let us see. So there is some gaps are there. So it should be proper. So yeah, this is a logo. Look at here. Even we could increase the thickness of the outline. Even we could make this kind of logo also. Look at here, Gucci logo, and the channel logo. We could increase the thickness of the logo. So I'll just give it, if we'll reduce the size of this, so totally we have to reduce the size. Otherwise I'll select it like this. I'll give 10. For this also I'll select it like this, and I'll give 10. So the thickness is increased. Anything little bit rotations we should make it. So both should look same means I'll just one, only one shape we have to do the changes. Later I have to take the duplicate copy of this, and we have to flip it. So we have to flip it like this, and we have to fix it properly. We have to keep it like how much area we have left it inside this. So let us check the image. Look at here. So there is a petal shape inside this. So only this much only. So the channel. So I'll keep like this only logos and all while I'm teaching the text. So that time we'll add the text for this only. Okay. So like this. Okay. This is the channel logo. Okay. So next in this only. So I'll go to this shape that is called 3-point ellipse, or even with the 3-point ellipse we will have the shape like this. So how much ever the oval shapes you want, even with this we'll have the arc and we'll have the lines. Okay, so oval shape I'll take it like this, and even with the circle, so how much ever the circles we need it, so we could take it like this. Okay, so that is 3-point ellipse. Even in the ellipse I'll make one more ellipse like this, and even this pie chart I'll give the color, and I'll go to this shape tool, and how much ever the pie we want we could take it. So this much, half of the shapes we want, we could take. Even in this also, so much we could take it. I'll keep it like this. I'll write it like a G, and I'll remove this, which is not working. Let us see what we can do with this. So what I'll do, I'll just remove the fill color. So there is a fill color option. Already I have filled this color. Only I will keep the outline. Okay, I'll make a shape like this. Only the outline I will keep it. So what I have to do, I have to remove the color. Whatever the color I have given inside this, I'll remove the color for this. So there is an option here. Can you see everybody? There is an option of in the color palette. There is an option of none. So this is a none of color. Okay, so the color, there is no color here. So I'll select it like this, and I'll give the thickness of the outline like this. I have seen one more logo. Let us see whether we can do it this logo or not. Okay, so this will not work for that. So we have to do some other thing only. So we have to take the separate line for that. So what I'll do, I'll select like this. I have to take this line. So if I'll take this line also, which is not coming, which is not working properly, so this rotation tool still which is not working properly, when we'll rotate the shapes, which is going to change. Look at the shapes which is going to change here. So we have to use the arc shape only, because we have other shape also. We have multiple shapes are there, we can do it with that also. So which is easily we can do in that tools only, we have to use it, because we have n number of tools are there. Okay, if possible, I'll try in this. So I could add a line here, means I have to use again line tool, but still half of the things which should increase. So if I'll increase it, means which is coming like this shape. So we cannot do it in this tool, we have to use the other tool. So that is called ellipse tool and 3-point ellipse tool. Next one, we have to go to all these shapes. Okay, so that is called polygonal tool, star tool, complex star tool, graph paper, spiral, and we have so many multiple basic shapes are there. Okay, so we have to try all this option. Okay, before that, anybody having any doubts about this tool? Anybody want to ask any questions to me, or anybody having any doubt?
Ma'am, like I was trying to install this,
Hmm.
but it is asking for the serial number of our laptop. Like, are we supposed to give that while we're installing that? Actually, it was asking me.
Serial number which is not asking, I think laptop number which is not going to ask. If you are installing the original software,
Huh?
that time which is going to ask the serial numbers and all. So but you are
Uh,
installing the trial versions, right? In the
Ma'am,
trial
like
version,
had showed
uh,
us one website which is known as Get Into PC. Like
yes, yes.
I downloaded it from that website only. So like it is
Uh-huh.
whenever I'm giving the setup, it is asking for the serial port number. But
Which version? Which
it's
version you are downloading?
ma'am, just a minute.
Which version? If it is older version, means you will get a free versions.
Okay, ma'am.
So if it is a new version like 2019, 20 and all, that means you need to use the serial numbers and all.
Okay, ma'am. But like, is it
Just
necessary
check.
to?
Older version means no need to give the free version. Trial version means you no need to give serial numbers and all.
If you don't give in, like it's not opening, ma'am. That's the thing. I'm trying. I'll
Send
try,
me the
ma'am.
screenshot. Send me the screenshot.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll let you know. Like afterwards, you just WhatsApp me. I'll tell you. Send me the screenshot of that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sure. I'll send it in the group itself. Got it.
Hmm. I saw one logo. Anyway, I have petals here. So where is my petals? So I'll take this petal. I'll just copy this. Control C. I'll copy this petal. I'll come back to here, page 4. Control C, Control V. Copy paste. I'll just select like this, and I want to make this Adidas logo. So for that, the petals should proper. We should not have this shape like this. So what I have to do, I'll make it 0. Zero, zero. So if we'll not take a proper rectangle, see, 4 by, so we'll not get the proper shape also. So if I've taken a proper rectangle, so we'll get the proper petals. So 4 by 4 I have taken completely the rectangle. Let us see what kind of shape we will get. The 5 I'll give exactly. Look at here now. I'll make a Adidas logo now. Even while we are doing the rotation, look at here, 40% or 35%, the how it is rotation, 49% like this, 40%, so 39% the rotation is happening. So 41%, look at the rotation. Still it is a little slant, 42%, still little slant, again 43%, just right now. Okay, let us add a view. There is option of ruler from the left side, and the top we have the ruler option. We have to use a ruler, and we have to check like everything which is come properly or not in all the sizes. Okay, so how much fat this petals, thicker petals we have to make it, so like that. Control Z, so everybody know the Control Z option. 43% which is straight, 44% I have made it straight. Look at here, I'll keep it like this. Look at, still it is not matching, so I'll zoom it. If one angle is mixed, so here it is not matching, so I'll make it 45%. See, still it is not matching. 46% is matching here. Here it is not matching, so I'll keep it constant, 45%. So 45%. Okay, I'll keep it like this only. So I'll just remove this ruler. Okay, so I'll just give the color black. Okay, then I'll take the duplicate copy of this, Control D, and the rotation I have to take it like this. So always we have to bring the center point down, and I'll keep it like this. Okay, so little space if I want it. Okay, even here also I'll bring the center point, Control D, and just a duplicate copy of this. Little bit rotation. See, or once you will have the practice, so then only we have to do this logo design. See, look at here. uh, I don't have that logo, I think. Let us show you people all the points which should look center from here. Little bit which should be slant. Little- very slight gap is there. So like this. So now we have to add the white line for this. So look at all the lines are okay. So what I will do, I'll go to this box, and we have this 3 point rectangle. So I'll have this very thinner line. I'll make a straight line like this, and I'll just give the white line for this. So I'll just remove the thickness of the outline. So none. Take the duplicate copy of this. So I want to see the logo, how when we'll zoom it, how it will look. So three lines will come. So Control D, duplicate copy of this. Again Control D, duplicate copy of this. So I'll just how much ever you want, I'll just keep the outline. So should, if it is coming out also no problem, because we have this white color background. So okay, like this. Still I feel the petals are become little broad. Okay, we have to do little changes in the petals. So the logo is also little, we have to do the rotation of the logo. So that everything we have to do it from the beginning. Okay, even the thickness of the outline also, if we have to make a little thicker outline, so that also once we copied means we cannot do the changes like this. Okay, for each and everything we have to make it. So Control D. So like this we have to keep it. Control D once again. So like this, we have to make the logo designing like this. So everybody who are downloaded the software, so we you people have to start to do this logo designing. So which is very easy. Okay. So little bit this side is little bit bending is more. Look at here. If I'll keep the rulers, I'll keep the rulers. Look at the point. The top point is here, and there's so much gap between this petal to this petal. So once we have done this, so both the things should be same. So like this, everything should be same, because they're charging. So from the base, it should look like a bowl. So it should look like a shape, one circle, which should come in a circle. Inside one circle only, this complete logo should be there. So if I'll add a circle, so we should sit inside that circle only. So if I'll add a proper circle, suppose if I'll add a 10 by 10 or 7 by 7, if I'll add a circle, so which should sit inside this only properly. So which should come as a circle. So every logos which is having one theory always, so it should come like a circle. Okay, here. So like this, the logo design, which is not much easier. So very small things we are creating, but still everything is very important. Okay. So if you want some more pages means we could take it here. Page, there is a plus option is here. Page 5. Okay. So I'll just remove the rulers. Suppose we want to remove the rulers. Look at here, rulers. So if we'll go to the view option, there is an option called ruler. So we could remove the rulers here. So we don't have the ruler option. So if I want it once again, view rulers option. So this is the ruler options we are getting. How we are getting the ruler option, and we'll go to this tool. So that is called polygonal tool, star tool, and the complex star tool. Okay. So I'll go to this polygonal tool. So this is the polygonal shape, and here here we could take the colors, whatever the colors we want, we could take the colors, and you can see the points over here. So we have the points everywhere. We can see in one face we have the we have the points like this. What we have to do, the same thing, we can change the color and we can change the outline colors. So whatever the colors we want, we can change it. But now the thing is we have to use the shape tool here. I'll select this shape tool, and before that, here if I select this shape, the polygonal tool, we have an option here, number of faces here, points of sides. We have 1 2 3 4 5 sides we have. So if you want, I could increase the many number of sides. Okay, like this we could increase the size like this. So how much ever was minimum is 3, maximum we could increase how many sizes also. Okay, so we could increase how many sizes also, we could increase it like this. Okay. So I'll go to this shape tool. Now I'll select one point. I'll select one point and I'll click on this. I'll bring it like this. See here, I could make like this. I could make like this, and one point only you have to select it, and we can bring it like this. So any points we could make the designs like this. Okay. So any designs we could make it. Okay. So first what we have to make, we have to take the polygonal shape, and it is depends upon how many sides you will take. So I have taken 11 12 13 shades I have taken. So I'll just give the color, and I'll go to this shape tool, and I'll select one point. Any point you have to select it, bring it inside. Look at it. If you want, you can keep only the circle. Okay, we could create only this star kind of a shape. Otherwise we could rotate this shape. We could rotate more options like this. So we will get the designs like this. So we could select one point, we can do the rotations like this. Okay, we'll have a multiple designs. Okay, so we have multiple designs. So again we could select the single points, and we could have the multiple designs. Okay, so I'll just, if you want, I'll keep the outline, otherwise I'll make a outline none. I'll take the duplicate copy of this, Control D, and I'll give different color. So I have given different color for this. Once again I'll take one more design, copy, Control D. I'll take a different color. Okay, I'll give the different color for this. So like this you could make a designs. Okay. So like this you can create n number of designs. So all depends upon how many sides you have taken here. I'll just delete it, otherwise I'll keep it like this only. So I'll go to one more page. There is an option of plus here. So page 6, and I'll increase the size of the page. So I'll just zoom it, and once again I'll go to this the polygonal tool, and I'll increase the size. Let us see how many sides we want. I'll increase the size. Like so many sides I have taken, 26, 29, 30, like this. So many sides I have taken. I'll just give some color for this. Then I'll go to the shape tool. I'll select one point, And look at here, even only the circles we want, we could keep only the circle. Otherwise, I'll select one single points and you can take it inside. So Control Z, I'll bring it back. So look at here, rotations. Inside this circle, we could make a rotation like this. Even I'll go to this selection tool. I could reduce the points now. So there is a 36 sides are here. So if I'll reduce the sides like this, see 20, 29, 28, so 15. So according to how much ever the sides you want, you will give it. So according to that, design will become. So like this. And if you want, I'll take a duplicate copy of this once again, yellow color. I'll just increase the size of this. I'll keep it like this. Control D, duplicate once again. So I'll give a different colors and I'll reduce the size of this. So we have to remove the outline. So then only we can see the proper design. So I'll go to this outline option. I'll give it none and I'll keep it like this and select this shape, none. Once again, I'll select this blue design. So if I'm not using outline, so our design will be like this. So we can do the modification of this thing. Very small changes we have done. Okay. So like this, we could create more designs using this shape, and we could create a logo designs. Like we could create a Benz logo in this. Okay, so many of the multiple designs. So like this kind of a logos we could create it. So Benz logo, which is done using this shape only. Next class, I'll show you people how to create this logo designing. Even some of the logo designing, not even this. Uh, Not this also. Okay, which is related like star plus or some of the symbols which is having the star option. So even this logo we could create using that design. So here with the petals we could create a Huawei logo. Anybody having any doubt?
Um,
Okay, please download the CorelDRAW software